Hello everyone, welcome back to Yags3world. I am Yags, your friend, and you're watching this video on only YouTube. In this video, I'm gonna teach you basic formulas used in Microsoft Excel. So let's start now. Suppose we have a product detail, ID, and we have to check it out whether it is checked or not checked. Then what we have to do? We just have to make a list of product and ID number, and we have to assign whether it is checked or not by means of a if formula. Let's see that. Here I am making a list of product and I have assigned each product a unique ID. Then I have to confirm whether the product is checked or not. Here I am randomly selecting all the product. For example, if the G5 cell contains ABC value, then it means I have checked that product. Likewise, I want to make a formula for each product. The basic syntax of the formula is equal to if, in the parenthesis, logical test, separated by comma, value if true, separated by comma, value if false, and then closing the parenthesis. Here in our case it is equal to if G5 is equal to ABC, comma checked, comma not. Means if the G5 cell contains ABC string, then the current cell must have value checked or else not. Then I use filter for seeing a particular thing I want to see. Now I want to do conditional formatting, and for that I have to select the column and then click on conditional formatting option. Then I give it a condition that if the cell contains ABC, then the cell should be filled up with yellow color. Now I am writing a big text and it hides itself inside the cell, but I want it to occupy some space so that I can see it clearly, and for that I'm gonna click on wrap text option, and that's it. Let's see about freezing pane. When you have large data and you have to fill more data based on the title, you have to have that title on the screen. But when you scroll it down, it disappears. So what to do? Nothing, just select the second entire row and then click on the freezing pane option from the view menu, and that's it. So I hope that you might have learned something from this video. If you like this video, then share it with your friends. And if you are new to this channel, then subscribe because it is free and it inspires me to make such videos for you guys only. Thank you. Meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and be happy. Bye bye.